What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see by the thumbnail. Y'all already know where I'm headed. Y'all already know where I'm headed, man. Finna have a safe little trip. About to get in. Link up my bro Donkmaster. We gonna shoot some stuff and all of that. So this the vlog. Said we doing the big video for my main channel. Cause like I said, he got a lot of stuff going on, man, and I support the man. So it's early in the morning. I'm about to hit this road, bring y'all with me, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in on the vlog channel. Y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see where I'm at. He over there handling business, man. We got some shaking, man. That's all I can say. We on the vlog channel though, but y'all stay tuned in for the on the main channel, the J Matter 2004. It's gonna be on the Facebook and the YouTube, whatever. So y'all just stay tuned in, man. We got a lot going on. This just the vlog channel behind the scenes. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we're on the vlog channel, man. We finna shoot something there, but look, I'm throwing this on the vlog channel too. Look, y'all see this? You can win this. Well, I ain't gonna say win it. You can, yeah, you can win it. But you, yeah, you can win it. $100, man. Raffle, 500 spots. It's 350 spot left, if I remember right. 350 spot left. This thing here is crazy. It's crazy, man. Y'all just saw the clip, man. I recorded some. Y'all heard how it run, man. Hey.
You read that thing up?
Hey, this thing ready, man. So look, y'all can get your tickets, man. What is the site? NDRA?
Yeah, NDRAUSA.com. You hit tickets, and then you go to this right here, the giveaway. It's $100 a ticket. They gonna sign up, pay for it. You get a chance to win. We'll give it away. If it be before March 20th, we're gonna take the $7 raceway and we're gonna do the raffle right there live in front of everybody, and somebody can win a dunk for $100.
That's it.
Twin turbo 1,000 horsepower dunk for $100.
1,000 horsepower.
Shit, if you buy this right here, this $500.
Yeah.
Just these letters right here about $300. So if you don't want the dunk, you can take it apart and you still get away.
Yeah. I wouldn't take it apart though, y'all. Let's see you have some fun in this thing right here.
Have some fun too.
Yeah, man, y'all just y'all make sure to go get your ticket. Don't just throw it on the vlog channel and all that. It's a nice piece for real, so y'all stay tuned.
Well, 2000 and
y'all look.
I was 18 years old, I bought that car.
Check this out. Man, Donkmaster say his first car, 18 years old. Still got it. Still got it.
1974 Nova. Look, you see the Gucci interior. When Big Time, you know, Big Time came as a dead. Oh no! Gucci. I got Gucci seats in this bed. Look at my seat, man.
Look, man.
I still got the Gucci seats in my shit. Man.
Look at that, man. This man still got it. So this one ain't going nowhere though.
Hell nah. This is the very first car I bought my own money. I was working at a car wash called Happy J's Car Wash in Orangeburg, South Carolina. I saved up my money every Saturday until I paid $900 for this car when I first bought it. So I saved my money up. I used to make probably like $150 a weekend. You know what I'm saying? Only thing you could do back then was buy Jordan. So I'm like, man, I want me a car. You know what I'm saying? I want me something fast. So I bought this car here for $900. And shit, I still got it. You know what I mean? I done raced it all over the place. You gonna ever bring it back though? Hell yeah. I got to run a track before. I'm gonna do a 6-speed twin turbo setup in an LS motor. Something make about a light 1,200 horsepower, AC, Pro Tour, and all that kind of stuff. I've been buying parts for it real slow, you know what I'm saying? But this is my very first car, but it still got the Gucci interior and that thing. They gonna be some. You gonna keep the interior Gucci like. I'm gonna keep the dash. I'm gonna keep the dash. Keep the dash with everything is brand new. Everything is brand new. I'm gonna just keep the dash just cause I might cut a piece of fabric out or something, but I'm gonna paint it back blue, twin turbo. 6-speed, you know what I'm saying? 74 Nova, my first car
That's
ever.
crazy.
My first car ever.
Man, it rare, boy. You people got their first car, boy.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
this my
telling
first car ever.
they're rare.
Yeah, I ain't selling that.
Oh yeah. All right, y'all. All right, we checking in, man. This the next day. Man. I forgot I was shooting it up there at Donkmaster shop, man. In and out custom. Forgot to close the video out cause I got back late. I went ahead and came back home cause when we wrapped up, man, I said, man, I got time to get back home, man. Ain't no need for me to stay up there. So I came back. I got back, man. I was tired. It was dark. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to close the video out tomorrow, but I gave y'all a little behind the scene footage. Me and Donkmaster working on some stuff, man. Shout out to my guy. Been supporting him, man, from the beginning or whatever. And you know, he look out for a lot of people. I gotta say this on the vlog channel too. He look out for a lot of people, man. He put a lot of people on. He do a lot for the game and stuff or whatever. And you know, you gotta put your pride to the side at the end of the day and show love to the people who paving the way or who contributing to the game. Just like people pay respects to me, man. You know, I appreciate that because some people not prideful enough. Like, I've contributed to the game myself. You know, I'm now an OG in the game. Me and my guys or whatever, we've been doing a long time. You know, we OGs in the game. But you know, I'm still out here going. And man, trying to contribute and all that. So, you know, I'm like, man, I'm gonna try to help any way I can. Any way I can, man. I mean, he got a lot of positive stuff going on. All I can tell you, he got a lot of big things going on, man. And I don't know right now at the time I'm shooting the video, maybe I done dropped the interview, maybe I haven't. But if I've dropped it, go over there to my J Malcolm 2004 channel, go check out the interview, man. We talked about a lot of stuff. It's a lot of firsts he said during the interview, so it's something you want to check out. The man, he just got a lot of stuff going on, man. Business, you know, that's how you turn your brand into a business. You know, you take something that started out right here and then you make it grow. Ain't no need in doing something you're gonna keep it in the same spot. If you're gonna be doing the same thing you doing last year or the year before that, you shouldn't be doing it. Same thing. I mean, it's about progression, anything you do. So that's why I say I salute him for trying to move forward, especially with, you know, the stuff he done had to overcome. And I can relate to him big time, cause when you start coming up, let me make some stereo corn people be calling. But when you start coming up, people hate, man. They throw shade. I go through it, man. Being from a small country town, some people smile in your face, man. They try to throw rocks when you turn your back. For real. And think you don't know it. It's a lot of people throw rocks at me, man. Then I see them, you know, they like, what up, Jay? Or they, you know, try to dap you up. It's fake love, man. It's fake love. But you got a lot of genuine love, too. You got a lot of people that rock with you. So, you know, with what we got going on, like I told him, and I tell them, the stuff I'm saying on camera, I say on the back line. I randomly call the man like, hey, bro, you doing a good job. Proud of you, this and that. That's what you supposed to do, uplift each other. I don't care if you white, black, Asian, man or woman. If somebody doing their thing, uplift them. Everybody try to tear each other down, man. That's what's wrong with the world now. That's why a lot of y'all can't come up. I'm not talking to nobody in particular, but if the shoe fit, that's why you can't come up. You too busy, got jealous in your heart, whatever. Instead of putting your pride to the side and saying, hey, show me the way. Show me what you doing. It's a lot of people like that with me. They want to put their pride. They want to know what I'm doing. People try to count your pockets. But, you know, I'm humble and stuff. But they too proud to say, hey, how you do this? Hey, show me the way. Show me the way. I want to be a student. That's why I keep coming up. I'm a student to the game, and I can sit there and listen. It ain't all about what you make. I can listen to somebody that makes or less than me financially, or that's younger than me. I can listen to them. If they doing their thing and it making sense, I can listen to them. I ain't got no pride. That's how you come up. That's how people respect you. That's how you gain respect out here. So, yeah, that's what we got going on. We got a lot of stuff going on. I like to say I salute him. Y'all just stay tuned in to what he got going on. Follow him on all social media. Y'all know I appreciate y'all that follow me and support me every day, man. Y'all know we got a lot of stuff shaking with the cars, the vlogs. I'm telling you, want to tune in every day, car. I got a lot of stuff happening. Wifey even got a lot of stuff happening. It's a lot of stuff happening. I'm telling you, I'm not playing. I'm coming with it, trying to get ready for this car meet, March 28th. It's going down, all I can say. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning in with me today. Y'all know I'm bringing y'all with me everywhere. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.